Welcome everyone. Now I'm feeling much better. I thought I would share a little bit of footage I have from when I spent the evening actually sleeping out in my tropical style garden here in Staffordshire. So without further ado, let's get into a little bit of a different but quite a fun video. Now, let me know down below, does anybody else ever think about sleeping in their garden on a particularly warm night? So it is like the second night of our really big heat wave. Where I work, the factory is extremely hot all day, and this is about the coolest it's been all day, and I can't bear to go back in the house and have a really sweltering night, followed by another really long hot day in the factory. So my little slice of paradise, I'm gonna be sleeping outside tonight. Let me know down below, do you guys ever think about it? Do you do it? Let me know. Let's see what kind of a night we have. I've had better night sleeps, but it's still nice. there we have it. I think we're nearly a week on from when I actually filmed this. I'm actually much better now. Obviously had some sort of viral, which knocked me off my feet a little bit, to be honest, but I'm back at it. Daily vlogs have been up a little while now, so and I'm very much enjoying them again. If you did enjoy it, I know it was a little bit different, but please do give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.